Hi everybody, this is Alicia. This is a project that I am looking forward to because I'm excited to have a place to live. And there's Sherry, my landlady. And there's Della. Della! Hi Della! There's Della. Della's got a lot of energy. So this is the beginning of the project. And how long do I have to work on it? I have no idea, but I'm excited to be getting it done. Thank you, Jesus. And yeah, I welcome any input because I got walls I got to work on. I got to redo insulation and, well, obviously floors. I have to do some stairs. This is the front stairs, and I got to do the back stairs too. And windows. So yeah, so if anybody has anything to share with me to help me get this done, I would be grateful. Okay, I'm going to start recording everything that I do. So this is the beginning, and I just want to show you all what I'm starting with, and I'm looking forward to showing you the finished product, which is going to be beautiful again. Sherry said this used to be beautiful, so it's going to be beautiful again. Okay, bye.